Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Clark, and we're going to do 972 divided by 8. Our answer is called the quotient, and that's when we divide this number among 8, how many are in each group. And it won't divide in perfectly, so there will be a remainder. Just click and type, or if you're on an iPad, double click and type. And also you can follow along with a piece of paper or whiteboard too. We're dividing by 8, and so it's going to be really helpful to write out your multiples of 8. So I encourage you to do that so that you have it at the ready. And we are going to be using our standard algorithm for this. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Back to the top, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Back to the top one more time, divide, multiply, subtract to get your remainder. Let's go ahead and get started. 9 divided by 8. So how many 8s can fit into 9? Well, 1 8 is 8, and 2 8s is 16, and that's too far. So 1 8 can fit into 9. Next step is to divide the last thing you touched, multiply the last thing you touched back down with the 8. 1 times 8 is 8. Next step is to subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1, and then bring down the 7. I want you to think about what you're going to do next. Try the next step on your own. Our next step is to divide. We're going to do 17 divided by 8. So how many times can you fit 8 into 17 before you go over? So 24 is too far. You can go 1, 2 times. 8 fits into 17 2 times. What's the next step? If you said multiply, that is correct. 2 times 8 is 16, which makes sense because that's what we just said, is that you could get to 16. Subtract and bring down your 12. How many times can 8 fit into 12? Just one time before it goes over. So put your 1 up top. And one more time, we're going to finish up here, 1 times 8, to get our remainder. So this means that if you did have 972 items and you put them into 8 groups, you'd have 121 in each group, and there would be 4 left over. So to check your work, you would do 8 times 121, and that should not get you to 972. It should get you 4 away from 972 because you have to add the 4 back in. So 8 times 121 should equal 968. And then you add in your remainder, those 4 extra items, which will get you 972.